Namaste and welcome back to Ajayasthromoney Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 4th of May 2024, we are diving into the exciting world of cumin, coriander, and pepper markets, exploring the trends and factors driving their prices. Let's kick off with cumin, where the market is buzzing with bullish momentum. Prices have soared yet again, climbing by 100 rupees per 20 kilograms today. What's fueling this surge? Well, it's a blend of factors. Reduced arrivals of cumin coupled with a surge in export demand are key players here. Moreover, reports of crop damage in China due to heavy rains have added fuel to the fire. In Anja Mandi, around 20,000 to 22,000 sacks of cumin made their way today, with rough cumin commanding prices ranging from 4,100 rupees to 4,400 rupees per 20 kilogram. Meanwhile, the premium Bombay Bold variety fetched prices as high as 5,000 rupees to 5,800 per 20 kilogram. Overall, the state witnessed the arrival of approximately 45,000 bags of cumin today. Shifting gears to coriander, Gujarat is experiencing a price uptick as arrivals take a dip. The reduced influx of new coriander has led to a price improvement of 5 rupees to 10 per 20 kilogram. This improvement can be attributed to a decline in arrivals alongside limited demand. Additionally, the market is seeing the entry of old coriander, further influencing price dynamics. In Saurashtra, around 19,500 bags of coriander arrived today, fetching prices ranging from 1,360 rupees to 1,560 rupees per 20 kilogram. Meanwhile, trading activity was brisk in Gondal Mandi and Rajkot Mandi, where notable volumes were traded at competitive prices. Now, let's spice things up with pepper. Domestic markets are witnessing a sharp rise in prices, climbing by 600 rupees per quintal after a period of stability. The driving forces behind this surge are strong inquiries from stockists and exporters, coupled with rising global prices. While domestic prices are on the rise, Vietnamese prices remain stable, trading at record highs. This stability reflects a tighter balance in the market due to aggressive exports and lower output. In Kochi and Karnataka, prices are reaching new heights, while Vietnam sees a steady market despite significant year-on-year increases. That wraps up today's commodity roundup. Stay tuned to Ajayasthromoney Guru for more insightful analyses and updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest in the world of commodities. Until next time, happy trading.